Yo guys, what's up? Here today we're looking at US Steel. Have an option for I sold a call and I sold a put, so I had a straddle on this or strangle on this, and now we're in the money. Looks like the call will expire worthless at the end of today, but this put is deep in the money. We'll see what I can do if I can roll it. So let's try to roll it out to the monthly expiration. Wants to roll it a week. It's not enough. Let's go out to the monthly, a couple weeks away. Whew, 13 cents, that's not good. Okay, let's go out to the next month. It'll be about 45 days out, which is actually a pretty good roll. About 45 days, you get good money for options. Look at that, 80 cents if I can get that. I am golden. Be super happy with that. Let's take a look. Okay, we had to roll it down to 78 cents, but that's okay. It's still a good fill. Let's go look at the position. All right, now I got a $25 put on US Steel for November 19th. That's the strike price. If it expires above that, I'm good. 100% profit. If it expires below that, I'll have to evaluate, see if I can roll again or what, or I might get put to stock. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.